Hi, She. Good evening, She. Can you hear me? Can you hear me clearly, She? I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
Hello,
Oh,
teacher.
okay now. I can hear you now. Where are you, She?
I'm okay.
Are you at home? Are you in your
I'm
house?
okay.
Where
Yes,
are you? Oh, okay. So you are home now because last time you were in your grandparents' house. So can you tell me what did you do today, She?
in the morning, I in my grandparents' house.
Okay. What about in the afternoon?
I I go to English class.
Oh, you have an English class. I see. Nice, She. Is it online or face to face? Is it online? Wait, let me translate it.
I don't.
She is your English class online or face to face?
It's face to face.
It's face to face. Okay. That's nice, She. It's good to have a face to face English class as well. Okay. Thank you so much for sharing that. Now, did you eat your dinner already, She?
Yes,
What did you
I
eat for dinner?
eat Vietnam Vietnam noodle.
Okay, I hope you are full, She. So, for today, we will continue talking about lesson 25. Okay, so we are already, okay, let us have a quick review first. Can you tell me what is he doing, She?
He's standing.
Okay, very good. What about her?
He's running.
Okay, yes, that's correct. She's running. What about him?
He's playing with toy.
Okay, that is correct. She, next one.
He's eating. She's
Okay,
sitting.
yes. Yes, she is sitting and he is.
He's walking.
Okay, very good. He is indeed walking. Now, she let us have this one. Okay, we have here making. What is here? What are you making?
I am making a sandwich.
Okay, yes, very good. And we've talked about this one last time, right? You told me that you can cook noodles, eggs, and rice, right? Can you still remember it, Chi? You can cook rice, eggs, and noodles, right? Yes. Okay. So, what about in your house? She who cooks? Meal. Who usually cooks in your house?
My mother.
Oh, it's your mom. What about your dad? Does he cook?
Yes.
Oh, yes, too. I see. That's great. Now, what are you doing?
I'm singing.
Okay, yes, that is right. I am singing. Can you sing?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you can. Wow. That's nice. Can you tell me who is your favorite singer?
Singer.
Yes.
In America, I like Sabrina.
Oh, Sabrina Carpenter.
Yes.
Okay, okay. She's beautiful too. Aside from the fact that she has great songs, she's very beautiful. Okay, what about Taylor Swift?
Yes, I know. I I I
Oh,
and I I a little like she.
oh, you like her a little. Okay, But what is your favorite song?
Oh,
Is your favorite song Vietnamese or English?
I don't know. I like
Do you listen
sing.
to music every day? Do you listen to music every
Mm,
day? Yes or no?
n- no, I usually listen to music.
Oh, you usually listen to music. Okay, so you're pretty talented, Okay, what about Korean music? Are you a fan of Blackpink?
Um, I they sometimes listen Blackpink music.
Oh, you sometimes, but do you like their music? What
Mm,
can you say about their music? Is it good? Yes?
yes, yes.
Okay. I would agree, I would agree. Okay, so now next one, reading. What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Okay, very good. What about you? Do you read books?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. Do you read every day?
Mm,
Not every
no,
day.
sometimes.
Oh, just sometimes. Can you tell me your favorite story, What is your favorite story?
I like this.
You like? What do you like?
Um,
Is that an
I,
English? An English story,
I I read Vietnamese book
Oh, you read
and
Vietnamese books.
I
And
don't know this name.
you don't know it in English. That is okay, she. Okay, but do you have English books?
Yes,
Oh, yes, you do have to. Nice, she. That would really be helpful for you. Next one, we have writing. Okay, what are you doing?
I'm writing a letter.
Okay, do you like writing? Ah, do you like writing, she?
Yes, my word is a little beautiful.
Okay, it's a little beautiful. Okay. Well, it will improve she over time. Oh, now next one we have talking. What are you doing?
I'm talking with my friends.
Okay. Do you like to talk, she? Fun. Do you like
I
to talk?
yes, I
Oh,
talk with
yes.
my friend in school.
But what about with strangers? What about with strangers?
Oh,
Do you talk to strangers? Um, especially maybe tourists, she tourists asking for um locations.
I I never s- I never talk with
um
with
tourists.
yes
Okay, why are you scared of them?
I s- I yeah
Oh, you're scared, you only want to talk to your friends.
yes
Okay, she. But what about in class? She in a class or in your room? Do you talk to your teacher?
yes
Oh, yes, too. So you are only a little shy, right? You're a little shy when it comes to talking to me.
mm, yeah
Yes, you are. So, no need to be shy, she. You can treat me as your older sister here. I'm like your big sister. Okay, so now let us have an exercise. So in here, you have to tell me what they are doing. Okay, what are you doing?
he's reading a book.
Okay, very good. What are you doing?
She's singing.
Okay, yes, she is singing. She
He's singing.
remember, yeah, remember she when the question is, what are you doing? What are you doing? You would say, I am. But what is he doing? He is. What is she doing? She is. Okay.
I read I read it.
Oh, you read it like this. Oh, okay. He is or he is. Yeah, that's fine. She, that is fine. He is or he is. They are the same. They are the same. Okay, so next one, she. What are you doing?
I'm making a sandwich.
Okay, very good. And what's she doing?
She's writing a letter.
Yes, very good. She. What are you doing?
I'm talking with my friends.
Okay, very good. She, that is correct. Now, tell me if it's true or false. I am singing.
It's true.
Okay, very good. I am reading a book.
It's true.
Very good. I am playing with toys.
False.
Okay, yes, it is false. I am running.
It's false.
Okay, yes, it's false. I am writing a letter.
It's true.
Okay, very good. She, now tell me which picture shows the correct one. I am walking. Is it one or two or A or B?
Picture B. Picture A.
Yes, it's picture
Picture
A.
A.
I am sitting and playing with toys.
Picture B.
Can you tell me what is he doing, she?
He's playing with
Playing
guitar
a?
or
Yes, it's a guitar. He is playing a guitar. That is correct, she. Next one now. Okay, I am reading a book. I am writing a letter.
is picture B.
Okay, very good. Now let us have this one. Listen to a song, she, and tell me at least 5 words or phrases you heard from today's lesson. Okay, let us listen to it.
What can I do? What can I do? Let's have some fun, me and you. I'm making a sandwich, yummy and sweet. I'm singing a song, a happy beat. I'm reading a book, it's fun to the end. I'm writing a letter to a friend. What can I do? What can I do? Let's have some fun, me and you.
Okay, can you give me 5 words or maybe 5 phrases that you've heard in this song, she?
I uh, uh mm, make making a sandwich.
Make a sandwich. What else?
Singing, singing,
That
singing.
okay, singing a song.
Write a letter.
Okay, write a letter to a friend. What else? Last two, she.
Reading a book.
Okay, very good. Last one.
I hear four
Oh, just four? Okay, so can you give me, okay, just form another sentence. Can you tell me what is she doing?
What what is in English?
Which one?
What
Where?
is in English?
Drums. Drums.
He's playing a drums.
Okay, yes, that is correct. Do you play drums?
No, I don't play.
And that is okay. That is totally fine. Now, since we're done with lesson 25, we'll move on to 26. Still, we have here basic actions, but yeah, part 2 this time. Okay, so can you tell me where are they,
They are in the park.
Yes, that is right. Now, let us have their conversation. Okay, so do you want to be Maya or Alex?
I want to Alice.
Okay, let us start now. Let's play hide and seek.
Can we hide in trees too?
Of course, if you can climb.
I sure can.
Okay, well, read, What about at school? What games do you play?
Play.
Do you know Ooh? Ooh, it's a game. My other student, they love playing at that game. But yeah, I don't know how to play that game because we don't have that here in the Philippines.
I don't know
Oh,
this
you
in
don't know?
English.
Oh, you don't know it in English. What about tug of war? Do you know hide and seek, Do you know hide and seek?
Mm,
Do you know it? Do you know it in Vietnam? In Vietnamese?
I was study in my class because I
That is fine, It's okay, it's okay. So, wait, let me translate it for you. This is tug of war. No, but not tug of war. It's hide and seek.
Trốn tìm,
And this is tug
I
of war.
kéo co,
oh I sometimes play hide uh, uh,
Hide and seek.
yeah
What
I
about tug of war? Tug of war. What about this one?
I no I really play tug of war.
Okay, that is fine, So I believe you have other games like maybe jump rope, right? You would jump rope.
dây nhảy,
Oh, I played this in sport class.
Okay, she. Thank you for sharing. Now, let us have this one. Do you know what it means when we say hiding? She. Hiding. Hiding.
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is he do? What are you doing?
I'm hiding behind a tree.
Okay, very good. She. Next one. We also have touching, which means you're going to use your hands to touch something. Okay. Now, what are you doing?
And touch my head.
Okay, yes. By the way, she remember after is are and am, we are not going to say I am touched. It's always I am touching. Okay, you will add ing. Now, she, I believe that is all it for our class today. That was so quick.
Hey,
So,
teacher,
yes.
I know uh, your YouTube.
Oh, you know my YouTube. Why do you watch your videos? She? Do you watch your videos
Yes, I seen
in the group?
me.
Oh, you see yourself there. Okay. Yes, I've decided to upload all the recorded videos of each class on YouTube, because I'm tired of deleting files on my Google Drive. That is why. Okay, so you saw your face on YouTube. Sorry for that, Chi. Now, that is all it for our class today. So I'll see you again on Wednesday. Thank you so much, Chi. Good night, Chi. Good night.